Stay, I'm leaving. Far too cold, I'm just frigid freezing. Fuck these girls for no fucking reason. Fuck the world, I don't need no reason. C-class Benz on the highway speeding, eyes bleeding. I'ma see just leaning. I'ma got gal in the back saying no, said I'm doing, I'm squeezing. They see cool, said I'm doing, I'm sneezing. No, said them bulls, said I'm doing, I'm teasing. Want a drink, but I don't do leaning. That shit give me an unfull feeling. Rather be smoking weed and wheezing. Just food and sex and sleeping. I'm in the one beer, bad news, but your girlfriend cheating. Come with the girl, them want them, fuck them, no for reach me, girl. Pon the 400, quick, believe me, girl. Pon the phone, just don't deceive me, girl. Link pon the tool and come. Alright, I was there. Surprise to the face. You know, have to move here. Then, you hear the voice. You don't know a Cogency on the Cogency Reacts channel. And today, we have Lil Dotz. Liquor Dotz. Plugged in with Fumez. You see me right up on Pressplay. Real and truly, I should have reacted to this from last week, you know, after the Desi one drop, you know, because they have the liquor competition thing, but I just, I don't know that. Let me tell you, Euros was playing. You know, when Euros are playing, if you watch football, you know the Euros at. All the team that me did win, France, Netherlands, and Portugal, them gone home. So, yeah, you know, right now England want to win the Euros. It's coming down, it's coming down, it's coming. Football's coming down. You see me? So right now it'll come home. But today we have Liquor Dotz. I represent for England in the plugged in with Fumez. So you know when I waste so much time, I jump like make sure you drop a like too before you watch a video. Them you know that. You see me? Tear man. Yo, I don't want to hear nothing about me hearing you know, dog. Cause I just wake up. You understand? I just got up out of the bed. I was like, you know, I'm gonna do some reactions, you know. So yeah, my ears doing a bit much right now, but yo, fuck it, yo. Fuck it.
Hey, yo,
Gang, Fumez the engineer, plugged in, free the M man, free the guys. Free the members.
HRPG, like I said, you know the pattern, you know the rest.
Ooh, HRBG, you know the pattern. If I ain't shelling I'm Rambo gripping with Fred in Hatton. Alright, yo, if you know the broad day, Liquor Dotz roll up, fam. Oh, man. Yeah, I like the start. Let's go.
HRPG, like I said, you know the pattern, you know the rest. If I'm in the car, got pop smoke them, so you better take cover when I'm in the ends. 017 now.
Ooh, yeah, Pop Smoke, okay. Pop Smoke, hey, it's chill, man. It's chill. We're gonna take it in slowly.
Members.
HRPG, like I said, you know the pattern, you know the rest. If I'm in the car, got pop smoke them, so you better take cover when I'm in the ends. 017, that was jump off peds. 2 man deep, watch 10 man flip.
Yo, you just hear that 808 slide? You hear that? Hold on there. Listen to this.
Them, so you better take cover when I'm in the ends. 017, that was jump off peds. 2 man deep, watch 10 man flip. Lucky the G-lock jam.
Go back again. Yeah, let's go.
Like I said, you know the pattern, you know the rest. If I'm in the car, got pop smoke them, so you better take cover when I'm in the ends. 017, that was jump off peds. 2 man deep, watch 10 man fled. Lucky the G-lock jammed that day, cause I put it on God, bro, you would've been dead. Don't smoke on crack, but we crack heads. If he rocks with the odds, we have to rock him to bed.
We don't smoke crack, but we crack heads. Crack heads. Oh, okay, man. Alright, man. Alright, look at that. I see the type of vibe where I go with today.
017, that was jump off peds. 2 man deep, watch 10 man fled. Lucky the G-lock jammed that day, cause I put it on God, bro, you would've been dead. Don't smoke on crack, but we crack heads. If he rocks with the odds, we have to rock him to bed. When I got kinda lost breath by the time.
If he rocks with the ups, we have to rock him to bed. Put him to sleep. Not time, man. Come on.
Smoke on crack, but we crack heads. If he rocks with the odds, we have to rock him to bed. When I got kinda lost breath by the time that I caught up. Yeah, lot driller, don't try him. Pop up like toes, leave jam frightening. Scary, but who's riding? Can't no one ain't sliding on us.
Ooh, that remind me of the E-Spot flow from Nah, man. I was riding and I'm riding, but I'm exciting. Fuck, why am I forgetting it now? Fuck. But you know, it's part of a flow like that with Bando K and double L's on the song. I just forget the song. But him have a song like that.
When I bought, kinda lost breath by the time that I caught up. Yeah, lot driller, don't try him, pop up like toes, leave gem frightening. Scary, scary, but who's riding?
Yeah. Yeah. If bro's riding got the stick by him, nah, I'm actually going to look for the fucking song, dog. Like, I don't care. I need to remember where that flows from. It's is pot. Which one was he on? Is Ally? Yes, it's Ally. It's Ally. Right on your side.
Why is he driving?
You bug bind him, spin it, keep firing, drill it, air it, profile him. Leggies are dead, want more hiding. Yeah, so the song is Ally from OFB. I couldn't even get to listen to the fucking Ispot part, dog, because my fucking shit keep fucking up with it faulty chord, dog. Like, anyway, dog, look at that. So yeah, I said, dog.
Heads, if he rocks with the odds, we have to rock him to bed.
Yeah.
Kinda lost breath by the time that I caught up. Yeah, lot driller, don't try him, pop up like toes, leave gem frightening. Scary, scary, but who's riding? Can't no one ain't sliding on us. No cap, I'm razzing it up for vile, same way I'll razz it for broski. Whoosh, more free lowski, lurked on all my up blocks, they know me, I'm proud when I got new.
Free lowski free, you know what I'm saying? He's fresh home.
I'll razz it for bro.
Yo, I know that. Just thank God lowski though, dog. Like, I know.
Then, can't no one ain't sliding on us. No cap, I'm razzing it up for vile, same way I'll razz it for broski. Whoosh, more free lowski, lurked on all my up blocks, they know me, I'm proud when I cop new skanks, that's trophies. Been in the field like Zinedine Zidane, so that's rap cat if they say they don't know me. Who's better than we, come show me. Violent niggas, some violent mesh, fell in love with an active nigga. No victims here, we suspects. Real rat, check the stats, little nigga, if you're talking about
active nigga was suspect. Okay, man.
In love with a cat if they say they don't know me. Who's better than we, come show me. Violent niggas, some violent mesh, fell in love with an active nigga. No victims here, we suspects. Real rat, check the stats, little nigga. If you're talking about crack, I bring it back, little nigga. Furthermore, Usher brother, oh your dad, little nigga. Masked up like I'm trying to dodge COVID. I just pulled up with 19 killers. He's realer.
Oh, like I'm trying to dodge COVID. I just pull up with 19 killers. Alright, man.
Been in the field like Zinedine Zidane.
Go on, hear the part there again.
If they say they don't know me. Who's better than we, come show me. Violent niggas, some violent mesh, fell in love with an active nigga. No victims here, we suspects. Real rat, check the stats, little nigga. If you're talking about crack, I bring it back, little nigga. Furthermore, Usher brother, oh your dad, little nigga. Masked up like I'm trying to dodge COVID. I just pulled up with 19 killers. He's realer. Go on and tell me who's realer. They was drunk when they spoke on bro. I was sober when I jumped out the dinger. With spinner, gorilla, aim and shoot or swing this trigger. Score skilly bang, cause the ting goes brr, brr. You don't wanna hear this trigger. All types of tennis, all types of wax, spin, slip.
The Adlers, man. Brr, brr. Sure.
He's realer. Go on and tell me.
Hola, man. Go back again.
That's little nigga. If you're talking about crack, I bring it back, little nigga. Furthermore, Usher brother, oh your dad, little nigga. Masked up like I'm trying to dodge COVID. I just pull up with 19 killers. He's realer. Go on and tell me who's realer. They was drunk when they spoke on bro. I was sober when I jumped out the dinger.
Yeah.
Spinner, gorilla, aim and shoot or swing this trigger. Skilly bang, cause the ting goes brr, brr. You don't wanna hear this trigger. All types of balance, all types of wax. Spin, slip, get chef like kebab. Drip, I just run the tap. The niggas ain't chubby, so they don't do that. Fumes, I've been plugged in since Quay, I ain't talking about.
That liquor flow. That's like a liquor miserable back flow. What are you?
Gorilla, aim and shoot or swing this trigger. Score skilly bang, cause the ting goes brr, brr. You don't wanna hear this trigger. All types of balance, all types of wax. Spin, slip, get chef like kebab. Drip, I just run the tap. The niggas ain't chubby, so they don't do that. Fumes, I've been plugged in since Quay, I ain't talking about music, I'm talking the trap. Cling, scales, Yola and cap.
Plugged
in. From morning, Linda's gas. But who's gonna lock this rap? Free broad day, I need me a fat thing. I was present
free
when
bro day. You see what tell you about the broad day song already now. Free bro day, but the roll up song was legendary.
I ain't talking about music, I'm talking the trap. Cling, scales, Yola and cap. Up from morning, Linda's gas. But who's gonna lock this rap? Free broad day, I need me a fat thing. I was present when Hell Sweet Corn, I was gassed at that mash weren't jamming. Just the other day, life was. But that one ain't lit anymore. Fuck that, I slap on Louis. Bust down with a beard, Dior. Expensive taste, but your sister ate me. I never knew LDs at the ball. In school, I couldn't kick ball, no 07 now. Bought big 4-4, this bad B twerks like. Try to talk on me, that's gibberish. Grab the dots on the glove, no fidgeting. Them man chat like girls, some little mix, little pricks.
Whoa. Twerks like. I don't. Did he say who I think he said, dog? Alright. I'm not gonna, you know what I'm saying, say it too much, but I don't know if, alright, I'm not even gonna say it.
In school, I could've kicked ball, no 07 now, bought big 4-4, this bad beat twerks like try to talk on me, that's gibberish. Grab the dots on the glove, no fidgeting. Them man chat like gal, some little mix, little pricks. Free mobs, free blacks. Cause all of my niggas attack, try run, trip up, little boy, that's sad. This can't speak on gang, they too soft, ain't bad. But I ain't gonna speak on that. They cap, I speak facts. Cause most of them man been damped.
Damped. The man never even said wet, you know, man said damp. So you know that shirt, yo, that's a different type of wet, you know. When your shirt damp, you know, you have to you have to take off that shirt there, you know. Jeez. And it's beat though. I was waiting on the 808 slide. But fuck it hell. T.I. the producer. And do though. But Fumez face man like him I say. Yeah. But yeah. That was Dicker Dotz, Lil Dotz. You know, plugged in with Fumez, right up on Pressplay. Yeah, I like it. Even though I'm something fuck itself in the middle of the recording, it's all good, you know what I'm saying? We'll fix it up and make that come together. Why? Make that forward together in the editing process. But don't know. This stuff, I don't know a Cogent Tip on a Cogent Reacts channel. One thing, you never know me have the vocals, but you don't know. Cogent Tip on the Cogent Reacts channel. Feel a little stiffly. So after I do this, I take some pill. But yeah, I'm end the recording and start the next reaction. So ready? I'm out, motherfucker. Peace. Yeah. Can't wait the girl, them want them, fuck them, no for reach me, girl. On the 400 quick, believe me, girl. On the phone, just don't deceive me, girl. Link on the toll and come for reach me, yeah, girl. Bring pussy to me, yeah, girl. Get round to